Includes shock cord. Installation wire. Stansport provides camping products that are best for your needs and can help to make your next camping trip the best yet. 4 poles and ferrules. Fits most dome tents. Includes shock cord. Installation wire. 2 pole styles. 4 poles and ferrules. Fits most dome tents. Top reviews from the United States. Make sure to check your diameter. This kit was surprisingly well put together, and should fix any tent pole you have that's 11 mm in diameter, 0.433 inches. It's got 4 replacement poles, ferrules, caps and a spare shock cord, depending on what you're missing. I used this to fix a blown pole for an old Eureka Tetragon 1610. The length of the pole was spot on. According to the directions, you can hacksaw them down if you need it shorter, so really all you have to nail down is the diameter. I almost bought the 9.5 mm version before I found out there were 2 sizes. Anyway, I packed the unused remainder of the kit in with the rest of the poles, so I won't lose track of them. Glad to have it.